Same thing. Start from the new part. This thing. Me and some guys from school. You have the notes with you. No. First sing the melody. First sing the melody.
Me and some guys from
No,
school.
it's not me and some guys from. It's me and some. It's me and some. It's not that. Da 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 da. Me and some guys. Three, 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 two. It's like that. Perfect. This was perfect. Now had a band and we tried real hard. 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 0. Listen. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. Ta 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 da ta ta ta.
Wait.
No. Ta da da ta da ta ta ta. Then ta da da, which is Jimmy quit. Jimmy quit. So ta da da. Next part. No, so it's like 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0. No, no. 3, 3, 3, 3. Sorry, you quit. Jody got 3, 3, 3. Just a second. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0. It's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0. Da 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 da. Yeah, now play again for me and some guys from school. Me and some guys from school had a band and we tried. Good. No, again, you're playing extra notes. Again, from me and some guys from school.
Wait.
No, why? Stop. First of all, I'm not able to understand why are you stopping after the first note. After first zero, you let it go. The melody is not like that. It's
Okay.
had a band. It's not had a band. It's not like that. So what like you can take your time, but know what pairs it's coming in. Try
Yeah.
again. From me and some guys from school.
No, wait.
Good. It could be better. Pretty good. Now the next part. I sure have known. We've never get far. Again. Da 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 da. Listen first. Da 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 da. Yes. Okay. So please practice. Get the notes right. Okay, send Yagya. Your timing was pretty decent, better, little bit better than the Yagya. Send Yagya again.
Yeah.
Let's play it again from the beginning. Okay, wait, Devik. Let's play it again from the beginning. Yeah.
Okay.
So the first line is da 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 ta ta. Play that.
Wait.
Make one note sound. Why are you not able to make that note sound? Make it sound. It's just one note. No, totally off. The rhythm is not right. Da 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 da. Play that.
No, aren't we in Me and Some Boys from School?
No, play from the beginning. I got my first real six string.
Beginning.
Oh.
No. Listen again. Da 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 da. Listen to me again. No, no, don't play. First, listen. Stop. Listen. Let me sing. Then you play. Yeah, again. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You know, played one note extra, but okay. Da 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 da. Okay, so practice more, yeah. Practice till where
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, yeah, you come back. Okay, your timing, like your understanding of melody is pathetic, I would say. We'll have to work on that a
Yeah.
bit. Okay, listen to this song. Keep listening to this song. You have to connect the melody to the notes you're playing. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be singing or humming the melody, small parts of it. Play only that part. Don't play the next part. Yeah. So it
Okay.
starts like da 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 da. Play it
No.
again. Da 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 da. Good. Da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. Again, you are holding the first note very a bit more longer. Da 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 da. Next part. Da 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 da. No, no. Da 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 da. No.
Oh yeah, one more.
Da 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 da. Goes. No, Bled, you're playing second string, third fret, na? Da 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 da.
Wait.
No, you're da 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 da. Okay. Da 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 da. No, no, listen carefully. Da 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 da. Again, listen again, yeah. Da 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 da. No. Da 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 da. No, you're missing one note. Listen carefully. Da 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 da. Again. Da da. Just again. Da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. No. Okay, better. Da 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 da. Play da 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 da. Again. Da 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 da. Listen, listen, listen. Da 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 da. Again. Correct. Da 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 da. better. Then da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Wait, sorry.
Yeah. Then next part. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. No, it's playing extra. Da 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 da. Just play that. Da 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 da. Yeah. So listen again. Da 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 da. Da da da.
Wait.
No. Da 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 da. No.
Wait. Oh yeah. Wait.
You can keep the notes in front of you if you want.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. No.
Wait. No, wait.
Da da da. First play da da da
Yeah.
da. No, 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 no. I just say what I'm speaking. Wait, let me speak. Let me speak first. Listen. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, now listen again carefully. Da 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 da. No, you missed 1 2. You just played 1 2. There are two.
Okay.
Da 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 da. No,
Wait.
now
No.
you missed a 0. No, you played extra 0. You played extra 0. 2 2 is quick. 2 2 is quick. Da 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 2 2 0 0. Again. Da 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 da.
Wait.
No, 2 2 needs to be a bit more quick again. Da 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 da.
Wait. No.
No,
Wait.
no. Okay, you are sticking on 2. There are 2 2s which are quick. Da 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 2 2 0 0. Again. Da 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 da.
I
Why are
played the
you
too
stopping
slow.
at
Yeah.
1 2? Why are you stopping at 1 2? Again, listen to the melody. Da 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 da. Say again. You missed the 0. Again. Da 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 da. This was better again. This was perfect. That's where I was trying to get to. Okay.
Yeah.
So I've recorded this. You can take reference of this recording if you want. For
Yeah.
the timing, yeah.
Yeah.
Learn till there. We need to work on a timing. Listen to the song. Connect the melody
Yeah.
with the song, yeah.
Yeah.
So please do these 4 exercises. You have Summer of 69 intro also that you need to work upon. Get your physical movement first going. Yeah. So please practice. Yeah. If any confusion, feel free to reach out even midweek.
Yeah, sure.
Respect to the timing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Please practice it, and let's hope we can finish off this song. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Take care. Enjoy. Bye. Bye, Devik.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.